Hello, good afternoon. مساء الخير. Today is August 15, 2026. النهاردة 15 أغسطس 2026. We are at the يويو family farm with my daughter and her husband. احنا النهاردة في مزرعة الحيوانات اسمها يويو farm, and the animals are loose and we can feed them. والحيوانات حرة مش في أقفصة ونقدر نأكلها. We bought actually some special food for the animals to feed them. اشترينا أكل خاص للحيوانات عشان نأكلهم. So I will share with you the animals and the place. هشارك معاكم المكان والحيوانات. It's quite busy. I'll just show you what kind of food we bought. Oh, here's an ostrich. نعامة جاية هنا already. And this is the kind of food they sell.
Oh, sure. Thank you very much.
Oh, look at the beauty of the fountains. Here is my daughter and her husband, Dolly, بنتي وجوزها إبراهام. Oh, look at this one with the red neck and his baby duckling. Very cute. Look at the sheep, الخرفان. Oh, look at all the little birds. They are طاووس. They are, I forgot the name in English. Dolly, what's the name of those birds?
I don't know.
No, aren't they the ones that have big wings with different colors? Yeah, well, you don't throw it unless they are close to you. Yeah, don't throw it. Okay, do you want to get a picture
Are
here?
you still videoing?
Yeah, I am videoing. Yeah, look at the ostrich, huh?
Wow. So those are
النعام.
MU.
Yeah. MU? What's MU?
EMU.
Oh,
Emu, I think.
emu. Oh, emu. نعامات. Emu. Cute.